second semester, all branches. Now I will solve some important problems for your summer 2024. These mechanics problems are very important. Question number 1. Find the magnitude of two forces such that if they act at right angles, their resultant is root over 10 kilonewton. While when they act at an angle of 60 degree, their resultant is root over 13 kilonewton. First, data given. When theta is equal to 90 degree, right angles means when theta is equal to 90 degree, R is equal to root over 10 kilonewton. When theta is equal to 60 degree, R is equal to root over 13 kilonewton. Let P and Q are two forces, required forces acting at an angle theta between them, and R is equal to the resultant force. You know that R is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta root over. First, according to question, when theta is equal to 90 degree, R is equal to root over 10. Putting these values, we have root over 10 is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos 90 is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ 0, because cos 90 is equal to 0. Therefore, root over 10 is equal to P square plus Q square plus 0, or root over 10 is equal to P square plus Q square root over. Then, squaring both sides, we have root over 10 square is equal to root over P square plus Q square, or P square plus Q square is equal to 10. This is the equation 1. When theta is equal to 60 degree, theta is equal to 60 degree, R is equal to root over 13. Then, putting all the values, we have root over 13 is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos 60 degree, root over, or P square plus Q square plus 2PQ into half, because cos 60 degree is equal to half. Therefore, root over 13 is equal to P square plus Q square plus PQ root over, because 2 cancel. Then, squaring both sides, we have root over 13 square is equal to P square plus Q square plus PQ square, or 13 is equal to P square plus Q square plus PQ. But P square plus Q square is equal to 10. Then putting these values, we have 13 is equal to 10 plus PQ, or PQ is equal to 13 minus 10 is equal to 3, or PQ is equal to 3. This is equation 2. Now, you know that p plus q square is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq. Therefore, p square plus q square is equal to 10 plus 2 into pq is equal to 3, or p plus q square is equal to 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Therefore, p plus q is equal to root over 16 is equal to 4. P plus q is equal to 4. Again, you know that p minus q square is equal to p square plus q square minus 2pq. Then putting these values here, p square plus q square is equal to 10 minus 2 into 3, or p minus q square is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Therefore, p minus q is equal to root over 4 is equal to 2. Then p plus q is equal to 4, p minus q is equal to 2. Adding this equation, plus q minus q cancel, 2p is equal to 6. Therefore, p is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Then, putting these values p in equation this, p plus q is equal to 4, or 3 plus q is equal to 4, or q is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, the required force P is equal to 3 and q is equal to 1. Now, I will solve another problem. Now, the question is like that. The resultant of two forces P and 2P, including an angle theta, is P root 3. Find theta and the angle made by the resultant with the forces of magnitude P. This is the diagram. Here P and 2P are two forces. Theta is equal to angle between the two forces P and 2P. And here resultant is P root 3, because the resultant of two forces P and 2P, including an angle theta, is equal to P root 3. Therefore, data given P and 2P are two forces. R is equal to P root 3. And theta is equal to included angle. Let R is equal to resultant of two forces P and 2P. Here we know that R is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta root over. Here P square is equal to P square, Q means 2P square, plus 2 into P into 2P into cos theta root over. Because here P is equal to P, Q is equal to 2P, is equal to P square plus 4P square plus 4P square cos theta root over. But R is equal to P root 3. Therefore, putting these values, P root 3 is equal to 5P square, because P square plus 4P square is equal to 5P square plus 4P square cos theta root over. Now, P root 3 is equal to 5P square plus 4P square cos theta root over. Now squaring both sides, p root 3 square is equal to 5p square plus 4p square cos theta root over square is equal to square of p root 3 is equal to 3p square is equal to 5p square plus 4p square cos theta, or 4p square cos theta is equal to 3p square minus 5p square is equal to minus 2p square, or cos theta is equal to minus 2p square divided by 4p square. P square cancel is equal to minus half is equal to minus 0.5. Therefore, cos theta is equal to minus 0.5, or theta is equal to cos inverse minus 0.5 is equal to 120 degree. Therefore, the required angle is 120 degree. Then let alpha is equal to required angle made by R with the line of action of P. You know that tan alpha is equal to Q sin theta divided by P plus Q cos theta. But here Q is equal to 2P sin theta. Here P is equal to P plus 2P cos theta. Or tan alpha is equal to, taking common 2P sin theta divided by, taking common P, 1 plus 2 cos theta. P cancel is equal to 2 sin theta divided by 1 plus 2 cos theta. But here theta is equal to 120 degree. Therefore, tan alpha is equal to 2 into sin 120 divided by 1 plus 2 cos 120 degree is equal to 2 into 0.8666 divided by 1 plus 2 into minus 0.5 is equal to 2 into 0.8666 divided by 1 plus 1 minus 2 into half, that is 2 into 0.866 divided by 0 is equal to infinity. Therefore, tan alpha is equal to infinity, or alpha is equal to tan inverse infinity is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, the required angle alpha is equal to 90 degree. Now, these are very two important problems.